Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Motorola. First of all, you need to open Play Store and install your new defaults. I will go with some kind of SMS app. For example, this one. Now you need to wait for your app to download, and when it's ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, tap on Apps section and choose Default Apps. Following that, you need to click on one of those options. I want to change my SMS app, so I have to click on it, tap on the new one in order to set it up, and select the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!